Did you know there's a secret hidden feature on YouTube that you can use that's going to generate you sales passively, and I can guarantee you're not using it? And last month I tried this and it made me an extra $6,450. And the best part is it will take you 60 seconds to set up, you do it once, and then it will run forever and it will make you sales passively. So in this video I want to show you what it is, how you can set it up, and why it works. Now the problem that most content creators have is when they're producing content and they're trying to sell their products so they can make a living from YouTube, typically they don't want to push their products and sell their services in every single video because they feel like they're being really hard and salesy. Now, while this isn't actually a problem, and in fact I do it in every video that I post, I can see why lots of creators don't do this, and it typically means that they end up not making as much money as they probably could. Now this little trick basically means you don't have to hard sell your products in every video that you produce, but you can use it as some form of lead magnet that basically passively sells your products without you really having to put in much effort. And the second benefit is it can actually gain traction from the YouTube algorithm and bring in customers without you having to spend any money on paid ads. Now just by building my personal brand, I generate around $20,000 a month, and I want to show you how to do the same thing for free. So if you want to do the same thing, I'm running a free class on Tuesday that will show you how to make $20,000 per month from a personal brand in 2024. So if you want to join, click the first link down below in the description. So what is this secret method that's going to generate you sales and customers for your business? Well, really simply, all it is a 60 to 90 second long video that we script and we put onto your channel. And the reason why this is different from all of your other videos, whether or not you script or don't script your content, is because this video is actually what we call a video sales letter. It's a VSL. Now, a video sales letter is specifically designed to highlight problems in your niche, present how you're going to solve those problems, and then give people a call to action to go ahead and buy your products. The benefit is we create this video once, we script it, we formulate it so it's actually going to convert, then we just direct more traffic to it every single month, and we don't have to hard sell and do that same pitch in every video that we produce. And if you do this correctly, you can very easily end up with tens of thousands of views going to that one video every single month, and that basically means that organically you get tens of thousands of people hearing about your offer, seeing how you can solve their problems, and then you get loads of inbound leads, loads of customers that actually come through and eventually want to pay you to solve their problems. And all the while, it means that your audience is still getting value from your content and they don't feel like they're always being hard sold to. Now you know what it is, how do you actually go ahead and make it? Well, I'm going to give you a script that you can use, but I'm also going to give you the framework that you can follow. So this is the simple framework to follow. First of all, at the beginning of your VSL, you have to highlight a problem, agitate their pain, then present your solution, highlight what your unique selling point is, and then give them a call to action. And more often than not, your product or service should be solving a problem, so you're basically going to use this to highlight what your product or service can do and how it can actually help them solve that problem. And the reason why we do this formula is because if you're a copywriter, you'll probably recognize this is the PAS formula: problem, agitate, solution. And it works really well because essentially we're following what we call the awareness funnel. Right at the top of the funnel, your customers have symptoms, right? They feel pain, they feel frustrations. And those pains or frustrations are typically the result of a problem that they have. And that problem that they have has a solution, or it has multiple solutions, and your product specifically has one solution to solve that problem that will alleviate that pain that they feel. So by following this formula and going from top to bottom, your customers will automatically want to know how you can solve their problem, and when you give them a call to action, they're likely to click and go onto your website. If you want a template to follow, just screenshot this and use it. It's a really simple framework that a lot of my clients use that actually gets decent results. I recommend building on top of this though. This is very simple and it's just kind of broad because it has to service so many different people in so many different niches. But in essence, we have right at the top, we're calling out a pain point and we're calling out the problem in your space. Then we're agitating that pain. We're presenting our solution in the form of an offer, providing some case studies and showing how we've been able to solve this problem for other people before in the past. And then we're giving them a call to action, telling them to book a call right at the end of this VSL. So that's how you make it. Why does this actually work? Well, to put it simply, all we do is at the end of every single YouTube video that you produce, you can put cards, you can put call to actions, and you can even put a link in your description directing all of the traffic from all of your YouTube videos to this one VSL. The reason why this works so well is because the VSL is just essentially another YouTube video, which means that all you're doing is you're directing your current YouTube viewers from going onto somebody else's YouTube video to going straight to your YouTube video. The way that you do that is you say, look, if you're having this problem, maybe this video will help you solve it. Because of that, you're going to drive tens of thousands of views to this one VSL that's specifically designed to sell your product. And because this VSL is specifically designed to sell your booked call page and show how you can help them solve their problems, you're going to end up booking thousands of sales calls and you're going to close hundreds of clients just like this. It really is as simple as that. And like I say, if you want to know how to make 20K per month from your personal brand in 2024, I will show you how to do this for free on my free class on Tuesday. Like I say, I only let 100 people live on that call so I can actually help people individually. But if you want to come along, click the first link down below in the description, and you'll also get a free course that's going to show you how to get 100,000 views on YouTube, as well as a free course that will show you how to make your first $100,000 in 6 months, as well as a free community as well. So lots of cool free resources for you to use, and that VSL script is also in that free course as well. So if you want to get access to all of that, click the first link down below in the description. If you have any other recommendations of videos you want to see on my channel, just leave any comments down below and I will do my best to film a video that will be specifically answering your questions.